How to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the settings application on your device and let's scroll down, and you can simply tap on the search bar at the top and search for Wi-Fi calling. So let's search for this, and here you can see there are different options. So let's check on all these options over here. And here you have no options as of such, so let's tap on another option of Wi-Fi scanning. There's still no option. So here it shows no results to enabling Wi-Fi calling or Wi-Fi calling option on Android phone. So we're gonna go and check if we have the latest version of the device over here. Let's search for any updates available for our device, and here it says no updates available. So this shows that the option of Wi-Fi calling has not been enabled on the Android phone or this particular phone as of now. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you next time.